Question 8. The frequency table gives information about the numbers of mice in some nests. So we have 5 mice in a nest that's been observed 4 times. 6 mice in a nest has been observed 13 times. There are 16 nests that contain 7 mice, an unknown number x of amount of nests that contain 8 mice, and 6 nests that contain 9. The mean number of mice in a nest is 5. Work out the value of x. Now there's more than one way of doing this, but typically if you're talking about the mean from a frequency table, then the process that we would have for going about that is taking, first of all, each of these frequencies and multiplying them by the number of mice. So you'll have this n times f column that I'm going to add here to the table. So if you do 5 times 4, 6 times 13, 7 times 16, 8 times x, and 9 times 6, then you will get the following numbers. We're going to get 20, we're going to get 78, 112, 8x, and 54. What we then figure out afterwards is the grand total of all of these. So if we take all of these numbers here and add them together, then what we will have is that the numbers 20, 78, 112, and 54 will all combine to give us the number 264. And then we've got this plus 8x at the end, like so. We then want to figure out what the grand total of the number of nests were. So that is, we add together the frequencies. So we have 4 plus 13 plus 6 plus 16 plus x plus 6, which will give us all those numbers will make 39, and we have an x like so. We take the grand total of the number of mice across all of these nests and we divide it by the number of nests, and that's how we will end up with our mean. From that, we end up creating the following equation. 264 plus 8x all over 39 plus x will equal 7. So this is now a quite complicated looking equation that we have created that we can now solve in order to find x. First step of solving this equation is to get rid of that fraction. So we're going to multiply both sides by 39 plus x. If we do that, we're going to end up with 264 on the left hand side, and we're going to have 264 plus 8x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we're going to have 273 plus 7x, like so. We then look at the x terms, and we want to get all of the letters on one side, so we get rid of the letters on the side where there are less of them. So we want to get rid of that 7x, so I'm going to do that by taking away 7x from both sides first of all. What will happen then is our equation will look like this. We will have 264 plus x equals 273, and we then take away 264 from both sides to get x on its own. And if we do that, we end up with x equals 9. So 9 is the missing value there. Done.